Greetings, folks. This is Tim from Box Stock Garage. Hope you're all having a great week. Just wanted to get on to a quick update here on the memorial group build for my buddy Don. So again, this is the Honda CB750F custom tuned, and made some good progress this week. It's been kind of a tough week being on call at work. It's some weeks when you're on call it's pretty busy, other weeks it's not, and this is one of the pretty busy weeks, so that's been keeping me busy, no pun intended. And then we got a sick puppy in the house, so we've been to the vet a couple times with Fuzzy, the three-legged wonder dog. So fingers crossed, he's doing better. We'll see when we go on Saturday. So yeah, it's bench time's been a little sporadic, but here comes Keith. But made some good progress the little bit of time that we've got. So we got the front forks on. Looks a bit hairy there because these two of these three lines, well, two of the three lines go to the handlebars, or sorry, to the grips, and the other one will go to the back of the speedometer there. This is just sitting in here, the rear, but the lights look good. I do have the resin, but I have not used it yet because I'm still got some of my window maker. So my gauges, I put the decals in, and then put the Testor's window maker in there. This thing's really annoying the hell out of me because there's really no positive points to attach it. So, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked with how it's coming out. I think the clear orange on the turn signals, front and back, and the clear red on the brake light, I think looks pretty good. So I did I think an okay job cleaning up the seam on the fuel tank. So we're gonna get some decals on that, get that mounted here in the next couple days. So got my seat. I got to do a bit of detail work on the seat. There is a piece that goes under the seat, but it's got a bit of stuff drawing on it. So, but you kind of get the idea here. So yeah, I'm liking it. I think it's coming along good. And you know, these decals again with that aluminum, I think they're going to look really sharp. So anyway, that's where we're at. Just wanted to get on to a quick little update, but I think maybe by the end of this coming weekend we'll have this thing done, and that way I can really jump into the buddy build that I've got going with John over there at Mighty JJK, doing that Suzuki 500. So thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you all for your support. Just very much appreciated. All the likes, the subs, shares, comments, all that. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Whatever makes your world go around, as we say. And please make sure you check out our channel supporters, Gallery Airbrushes. If you go to gallery.com and you enter the code BOX, you'll get 10% off on your order. Also, Jameston Kroon over there at Scale Finishes. Want some great paint from the bottle to the model. If you go over to scalefinishes.com and you put in Box Stock 10, you'll get 10% off over there at Scale Finishes. So his mystery boxes are back. Check those out. I got one of those. Got some really great colors. So anyway, folks, that's it. Hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Again, Prayers to those of you out there who need them. Keep you in our thoughts and prayers. And if y'all could spare a thought for Fuzzy, the three-legged wonder dog. He's only 7 years old, but he's been through the wars with all of his arthritis and everything. So we took that leg off not quite a year ago, and since then, honestly, the term living his best life, he has been, but he's just been pretty sick these past few days. So we're trying to get him through that. So anyway, folks, thanks a lot. You have a great week, rest of the week, great weekend ahead. Get some bench time, hug your friends and family and pets, and we'll catch you later. This is Tim from Box Stock Garage, and Key, who came up, said his piece, and left. Yep, we're out of here.